Goodklife rolling mill blades. Practical application advantages. Goodklife rolling mill blades utilize high-strength wear-resistant alloy materials, undergo precise heat treatment and precision grinding, delivering high hardness, sufficient toughness, and high-temperature resistance. They perform stably in hot rolling, cold rolling, and cross-shearing operations. Their sharp, long-lasting edges ensure smooth cutting with clean, burr-free edges, significantly enhancing finished steel product quality. Resistant to impact and wear, these blades resist chipping and boast a service life far exceeding conventional blades, substantially reducing blade replacement frequency and downtime. Compatible with all types of steel rolling production lines, they offer easy installation and reliable operation. They effectively reduce wear, boost efficiency, and provide robust support for steel rolling enterprises seeking cost reduction and productivity enhancement.